Welcome back. We got another adventure. Today we got to go down to Molokai, enjoy this beautiful sunrise with my wife this time. This is the first time we were able to get her down to Molokai, and it was just a challenging but amazing trip. The water was really nice, except yeah, right up against the cliffs, it got a little dicey. You'll see that later. But had some really good action. It was a fun day. And yeah, I'll let you guys enjoy the video and talk to you again.
Probably only need to clear that one, yeah. Probably don't need to. Oh, yeah, you do, huh?
Go ahead and slow down, yeah.
Still on there?
Oh yeah, he's on. Just keep some tension. Just hang that. Oh, jeez.
That thing, that nose on that thing gets nuts, huh? Are we just dragging him?
Stops. Yeah. Stop.
You want me to stop?
No.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead and come down. Wow, this is slow down.
Ivan, you want to grab that line over his line? That line, that long one is over his line.
Stop. Oh, they love the chrome. This is your mirror, huh?
That's the Koya, yeah?
Yeah.
That thing just makes such a big pop that it almost runs it.
Okay, we still got the wire in. We gotta clear the rigger.
Yeah, we can probably get a bit. Oh yeah, you might want to bring that wire in actually, dude, in case, because he's already over the side there.
Absolutely. There
he is, your fish is here.
Okay, Ivan, let's go.
Bump it. Turning to try and keep him on the corner. Oh, it's a mahi. Kind of figured being on that track. Doubled.
Okay, now it's coming in.
Now it is.
Okay, you're on the wheel. Yeah, we should circle back. Oh, we're definitely circling back.
I think the island might be stacked up.
You guys got that one, I focus on this one. What? You guys got that one, I focus on this one? Yeah. All right.
Are you farther out or closer?
I'm pretty far out. I can still see mono, so. I knew that black and purple was gonna get in.
I'm opening the box.
Which one had the black and purple? This one?
That corner.
I bet you didn't. Was that date off stuff?
I didn't. It don't matter though. Okay. It's hard to tell where I'm at, but.
What is that? It's alright, I got the ball here.
Okay, I'm gonna just kind of stall this one because.
You're good, bro.
Okay. You're good, Mom. Yes,
Oops, sorry.
Okay, let's get this one. Yeah. Okay, what are we doing with this one?
We're gonna do the same thing. You just kind of have to leader them out this way. You got it.
Pull back. No, you're fine. That corner's
That mono's pretty, or that leader's pretty big. It might be okay if that does.
Yeah.
okay. Hard
More Brian.
Okay, leader.
Here you go. Here you go. Kind of keep them out here.
Yeah.
That's a better one.
Yeah, boys.
Look at that. I am so glad
Get in.
down in. Okay.
That's a nice one.
Oh yeah. There we go. Beautiful gap.
No, that's done.
All right.
Yeah, boys.
Well done. Yeah. Let's get the spread out. That one is toast. Oh no. That one is toast. Oh no.
So this is what the face of sheer and utter disappointment in oneself looks like.
We didn't record any of it.
I got it.
Okay. Yeah.
And this is the face of somebody that actually knows what they're doing.
They're stacked up over here, huh? 4 strikes in a small, like, mile 2 radius.
Yep.
Which makes me wonder if the island would be loaded up because they're kind of packed
We're
into
going
this
straight
area.
there.
Oh no.
Alright, there's a third chance on this rod.
I'm in preschool or something.
Cannot with this one.
That's right.
We got the strike.
Ivan will grab the leader.
Do you have a gap handy?
No, what the heck, Ivan? Come on, boy.
We might have to just grab the leader.
Oh, some big marks. I hope that's not unfriendly marks.
Over this rod today, dude. What's going on in this corner? If you pull the corner, we're probably good if we clear the
Off again?
All right, so at this point, we're getting really frustrated. That was Ono number 3 that we had taken a strike on and lost on that same pole. And I'll tell you guys what we learned. Actually, I figured it out later. but we have not been doing good, even though we're doing good. So here comes more.
Second time we... Pre-spool that.
And there went number 4. At this point, we are so frustrated. It's only 8 o'clock in the morning. It's been an awesome morning, but we're dropping fish, which isn't making anybody feel good. So we decide it's time to get in the water. As you saw, they're suiting up. We had already planned on diving this island, and yeah, it was worth it. And our whole goal today was to catch Onos and to have Ivan shoot his first Ono. Kyle has been trying so hard to just coach him and teach him what to do, how to approach an Ono, and I'll let you see what happens down there.
So in this clip, we had been in the water for a little while now with no action. So Kyle just took a blind drop to see what would come in. Sure enough, an Ono snuck in behind us, and it was kind of deeper in the water column than usual. So I took a drop, started pursuing it, and then I noticed it was just swimming further and further away. So I kind of turned towards the chum line, put a little less pressure on it, and it ended up coming in broadside. But then it started to turn away, and I'll let you see what happened.
That's just a little buck fever. Great encounter. You know, every time you're in the water, you learn something about these animals. You learn something about your hunting techniques. I'm super proud of him. It's not every day you get these opportunities. He's 17 years old and he's going after it. But you hear him when he breaks the surface say, "No." And you just know his heart broke in that moment. But that's why there's neck times. And we got him back on the boat, dropped in some more chum, and went down for round 2.
Nothing's coming in.
Right, Lord, you're supposed to strip. I was keep it safe.
How do you not miss? Good, yep. You're neutral, yeah?
Normally, I'd make some kind of a funny little comment, but I think you can all hear from that scream the internal pain that he felt losing that fish. This is something Ivan has been building. He went down and bought a slip tip, bought a secondary shaft, the reel for that gun, because he wants to shoot an Ono. And when you get to that moment where you have achieved it, he missed just before this, but now he didn't miss. And still, things happen. Uh, it took a little while to um, get him over that. He was really frustrated. We ended up taking a couple more drifts after this, but they didn't come in again. So we jumped back up on the boat, and the rest of the day, it didn't disappoint. Back on the troll, and we're on right away. It wasn't long at all. I told you guys I'd explain why I even felt we were losing the fish. We run a lead on that short corner, and as we were slowing down, we still had tension on the line, but part of the tension was the lead, which gives the ability for Onos. Onos shake their head violently as they're coming in, and I was going to idle. So Ivan, in his infinite wisdom, said, let's keep pace. The rest of the fish, I kept on going. We dragged the fish, it would keep tension on the line, and we didn't lose another one. So kudos to the little boy.
Yeah, good. That's a nice Ono. Nice one, man. Okay.
He's still on.
No power.
So this was a nightmare. We're in a side swell. We got the island on our port side. I can't turn down, and we just lost power to both electric reels. Unfortunately, I didn't think fast enough, but it just blew the fuse, and I could have swapped it out with another one, popped it back in, and run one of them at a time. We ended up landing one, which was not on film, but the second one, I'll let you see how this story ends.
Yep. I think both of these popped the fuse together. Let's not worry about that right now. that is not the problem. That definitely is not the problem. We got miles out long. Dude, he went fast.
Well, we got one in, so now we're actually
want gloves?
doing pretty good now. We're 3 for 7 currently.
Do you want gloves? Okay. We're 3 for 7, yeah? We're improving our odds.
Well, 3 for 9 with 5.
Okay. We're going pure honesty here. Oh, yeah. On again! So should I just head straight up? Or you want me to turn down? Yep, getting close.
We are?
Yeah. Is this good speed, you think?
Yeah, I'd say so.
I think you gotta hurry.
Yep, yep.
Okay guys, so we just stopped to change our fuel tanks and Onono picked up our wire reel. We're on!
And it was just a little like,
Yeah, it just went right. That's it.
I thought you had touched it. If you looked it down, like, oh, I just heard it.
Yeah, he looked at me. He looked at, I looked at that, I'm like, it's not taking line, what's going on? Might be a rat, but might be an uku. Might be a sheepy.
Head shakes your thing. Oh, no,
All right. Once we get closer, I'll turn.
Okay.
Put it on the side. I'm thinking it's worth trolling this.
Yeah. Are you sure?
Now let's go home.
You want me to open up the cooler?
They need the back. Oh no, it's right. That's right behind you too. Yeah, turning. Pat's right there.
Talk about not fighting hard.
That's a decent size Ono.
25. Unfortunately, Billy shot it.
Hey, minor.
Hard when the boat's moving because he stays under the
Get him the pliers, Dana. Yeah, don't stick your hand in that.
Yeah. Oh, we have.
Even nailing the gaps.
And that brings this adventure to an end. As always, thanks for joining us. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please leave us a comment. Let us know. Next weekend, we're heading up to go see if we can find some mahis. 'Tis the season, so yeah. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.